Hello friends, I'm back from a brief hiatus to bring you some oil-free vegan brownies. If you like them more cakey than fudgy, these are for you. Let's get baking. First, mix the egg replacer with the hot water and mix well. I'm using Energy, but you can use ground flax or chia seeds or any other powder egg replacer. Set aside to thicken for a few minutes. In a bowl, mix the cocoa powder with more hot water to form a paste. Add ground coffee, salt, and vanilla extract, and the egg replacer. Mix until homogeneous. Mix in the applesauce. And then the sugar. Finally, fold in the all-purpose flour and baking soda. Be careful not to overmix at this point. Some bits of flour left out are fine. Line a 9x9 baking pan. My silicone sheet happens to fit it well, but you can use parchment paper if you'd like. Bake the brownies at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 170 degrees Celsius for about 35 to 38 minutes. If you'd like them gooier, go for less time. Let the brownies cool fully before cutting into 6 rectangles or squares or whatever shape you want. And you've just made some soft borderline cake brownies. Let me know if you'd like a fudgier recipe in the comments below. Thank you for watching.